Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix your touch screen not working on iOS 16 or on your iPhone. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Google here, support.apple.com. Now here, first of all, we have to go and we have to obviously select the version iOS 16, and then here we can see how we can force restart iPhone. Now this worked for a couple of other people as well. You can press and quickly release the volume up, then you can press and quickly release the volume down, and then you can press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, release the side button, right? Now this will force your iPhone to go through the process of restarting your whole phone. Now if that doesn't work, what you will have to do is you will have to go to settings and make sure to go to your settings, and in the settings type in here, so you can go with touch and then go to the touch here, and on touch we can go touch accommodations. Make sure that's turned on. Now if that's turned on, if you still don't have any, if you can't really if you can't really touch your iPhone, then what you will do is you will go back, and what you will do is you will go to reset here, and yeah, we can go to general reset, and then here you will be able to transfer or reset your iPhone. Here you can reset your iPhone. Now keep in mind you have to back up your iPhone, and then if after all of this your Touch ID doesn't work, then I don't know what's happening, but this will be able, these three things or three tips will be able to help you resolve your touch not working on your iPhone. Now thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and yeah, bye bye.